got the navy Aime Dore 650s. And you know we got a busted materials check. Navy leather looking straight with a cream mesh toe box, nylon tongue with the Apple basketball logo on it. These got a distressed end looking logo, and since these are highs to the 550s, they have a leather strip around the ankle collar with the New Balance branding on the heel. As you can see, they come with gray laces in them already, but they come with an extra set of navy laces and an extra set of cream laces. Ortho-like comfort insoles. Let's see what these are about. And at first glance, the insoles look really comfortable, and the arch support is crazy. So I guess they really might be comfortable. All in all, this is a nice shoe. It looks way better in hand than it did in the pictures. And even though it looks like this shoe would be heavy as hell, it's actually pretty light. But at the same time, feels like it's constructed really well. And with the ALD colorway, you can't go wrong.